I can't believe I managed to catch this stupid steaming. The boss is gonna be so proud of me. I knew this would happen to me eventually. With all the engines going missing lately, this was bound to happen sooner or later. Should have stayed on the main line. Well, it's too late for you now, silly steamy. Where are you taking me, you savage? You don't know? Might as well tell you anyway. I'm taking you home with me tonight, silly steamy. Boss! Boss! I got him for you! I got him! I hope you enjoy my meeting with my boss, Thomas. He knows you very, very well. Is that you, Brewster? Oh, it is. Let's see what you've dragged in this time. I can imagine what it could be. I wonder if it's a... Ah! It's my old friend Thomas. Thank you, Brewster, for bringing him to me at last, after so many years. Thank you once again, Brewster, for bringing him to me. You're welcome, sir. It was really nothing. Diesel 10! I knew you had to have been behind this somehow. Indeed, the plan is mine. Now, if you will, Brewster, please uncouple yourself from Thomas. Right away, sir. Why would he do that? Who cares? This could be my only chance to escape. So long, Diesel 10. Aye, come back here, puffball. Sir, he's going to escape. What do we do, sir? Don't worry, we'll catch him. I'm almost free. Just another clear mile and I'll do it. Almost at the point. Where do you think you're going? Oof! Ow! Steaming pistons! Spencer? Is that you? Of course it's me, the one and only. I can't believe you would side with them. Why not side with them? They did some very nice things for me. They tricked you into some sort of twisted scheme, Spencer. You should know that by now. Silence, all of you. Thank you, Spencer, for capturing my escapee. I see the upgrades we've made to you have made you much better at catching these foolish engines. It's been a pleasure to do so, Diesel. Have you lost your mind, Spencer? They've brainwashed you. Aye, keep it down back there. Silence, all of you! You all annoy me so much. Brewster, you're a bumbling sidekick. Spencer, you're an arrogant puffball. And you! I swear, Thomas, you're going to pay if it's the last thing I do. I would listen to him if I were you. Yeah.
What's going on out there?
It
It sounds like Diesel is angry with someone. I hear Brewster and Spencer out there with him. And with someone else. It's Thomas! I can't believe they caught him! I can't let those brutes hurt him after all that Thomas did for me. I'm coming, Thomas.
No more shall I deal with you, Thomas. Brewster, step aside. Yes, sir. Right away, sir.
I must hurry before they change him like all the others. I don't have much time. Oh, I hope I get there in time. Take this!
Ah, Mavis, I had a feeling you would spoil my plans. Where am I, and what am I doing here?
Hurry, Thomas, we don't have much time.
I can't move, Spencer's too heavy. Haha, good night, Thomas!
No!
Wake up, Thomas. Wake up. Attaboy, you're coming too, finally. Where am I? You are deep within the workshops, Thomas. You're our guest of honor, Thomas. And as our very special guest, we have a surprise for you. Puff forward, please, and turn around. I don't know what's hiding up your claw, but it can't be good. Marvelous plan you came up with, Brewster. You know how much I like watching him squirm. Ah, it was nothing, boss. Look, the turntable's stopping. How could you? Percy! They got you! And Mavis! Oh, and the best part is that it isn't over yet, Thomas. Who will you choose to save? Your best friend or your little girlfriend? What's your decision? You captured my friends and brought them here to tempt me, Diesel. But I know what you really want. You want a trade? I'll give you a trade you can't refuse. Let them both go, but take me as your prisoner. Well, Brewster, I'll make you make the final call. Thanks, boss. Well, Thomas, I think that's a fair trade. Your friends might go, but you have to stay.
Oh, Thomas. Why would you do that for us?
I don't want either of you to die like this. You both have been the best friends an engine could ever ask for.
Please, Thomas. Isn't there any way you could come back with us?
I can't, Mavis. I have to find out what Diesel's up to. Percy, please take Mavis as far away as you can from here. Go!
No, no! I won't leave you! No!
Now that the goodbyes are over, come with us, Thomas. Yes, Diesel. Right away. Don't worry, all your pains will go away soon. Well, here we are. Where is here exactly? The converting room, mate. What's a converting room? Watch and listen, my friend. You see that big blue fellow over there, Thomas? Gordon! They caught you too? I'm afraid so, Thomas. Remember when I said I could stand up to Diesel on my own? It didn't quite work out. That's the last time I'll ever boast again, literally. Now, do you see Spencer over there, Thomas? Yes? He is connected to a generator of sorts. Ah, Spencer, my old rival. Make sure that when I'm gone, you hold my title up with pride. You? Done? But there's no time to waste, Spencer. Fire up the generator! Ha! It didn't work, Diesel! Oh, the best is yet to come, my boy. What are you doing to him? This is all part of the plan, Thomas. He is undergoing the process of dieselification. When this is through, Gordon will be one of us! Spencer, whatever you're doing to me, don't do the same to Thomas. You see this, Thomas? It's the beginning of a new era, where steamies won't have to be scrapped anymore. Instead, they'll be used to make more of us! And guess what? You're next, Thomas! Cinders and ashes. Well, this is how it ends, I suppose. Yes, it does end this way, Thomas. I'll finally be rid of you at last. Sir, do you notice that there isn't enough metal for the dieselification? Oh, I know. That's why I'm merging you and Thomas together. Remember to do as Pinchy says. Yes, sir. Right away, sir. I'll do what you and Pinchy says. Yes, sir. And don't worry, Brewster. You'll still retain your diesel qualities when you take over Thomas's body. Well, little guy, looks like you and I are in it together. Thanks in advance for lending me some extra metal. Heh. Alright, Spencer. Pinchy says fire away now!
Don't do to Thomas what you did to me!
You were one of the fastest engines in the world before you sided with them, Spencer. You even managed to defeat our Gordon.
When I am gone, hold my title up with pride.
I will uphold your pride, Gordon, for I am Spencer!
This will be my final race, and I'll win it for you, Gordon!
What are you doing, Spencer? You are causing the generator to malfunction! Oh no, this can't be good. Brewster, are you still there?
You wish it was Brewster. Target acquired. Prepare to eliminate.
Oh no! What have I done?
Target trapped. Prepare to launch interrogation sequence. How does it feel to meet your match, Diesel?
Your claw! It's scarring red!
Since it's so hot, then I hope that you don't mind if I do this!
I can't believe he's gone.
Here's my best friend, and now he's gone. You know, Mavis, he always liked you. He knew you were good at heart.
He would always put engines before himself, including me. You know, the workshops weren't always a bad place. It was a peaceful place until Diesel took over.
And now look at it. Come on, Mavis. Let's chuff away from this sad place.
I'm coming, Percy. Just wait, please. Wait, Percy, stop! Look at this!
What is it, Mavis? Something important?
Hurry, Percy! You have to see this! It's Thomas's whistle, Percy. But how did it end up here?
I don't know, Mavis. I really don't know. Leave it, Mavis, as a monument to our friend's sacrifice. Let's go, Mavis.
I agree, Percy. Let's go. Goodbye, Thomas the Tank Engine. You always have a place in my heart.